Hello everyone, my name is Valentin Serban. I'm from Moldova. That's a country between Romania and Ukraine. You can find it on the map. Do not confuse with Maldives. I make that video for my friends from UK and from all another Europe countries. My plan is to increase the number of customers of our products, especially honey. That's why I'll make a series of video in English for European customers and apiaries as well, because someone maybe will take something useful from the way which I use to increase quantity of honey. So now we are on 22nd of February and it's first intervention on beehives. On autumn I got 78 beehive. So all of them are alive at the moment, but worst start now, because if winter was very warm, usually during spring we can have still -5, -10, what is very bad if the tree start flowering and the bee start to bring pollen, and after that of course queen start to put eggs and renew the family for most important collection which you have. We have two collection of honey, two type of honey. It's acacia, that tree, maybe you can know, if not you can find it on Google. It's monoflower honey, and another one it's sunflower, which it's enough a lot around, so we can have two collection of honey. I'll try to explain as much possible better for person which know better, maybe because our first time when I make video about beekeeping in English. I'll please to let me know if I say something wrong. I mean especially the terms which you use in beekeeping, and of course I don't pretend I know everything, but I'll try to show, and even if I'll say wrong way, the picture, the video have to make information more clever, so should be enough. Well, so what we're doing now, we check if the bee is alive. This one I put to take humidity from hive. We have nice weather, about 10 degrees, a bit sunny, some clouds, but still alright. Because I left on 20 of September, till now I didn't have any intervention. I didn't have time to extract all extra frames which I have in the hive, so I let them, all of them, here. So now I'm reducing just for this number of frame which I have the bee. So this is a bit empty, but we'll see. It's first, second, third, fourth, sixth, seventh. So normally 3 or 4 of them I have to take them out. To make them stay calm, you use smoke. It's untouchable. First, normally these frames I should to extract them in October, November, but because already in UK, out of my country, so I do it now. they are still full. So I reduce family on 5 frame. Yeah, and after we call it diaphragm, I don't know. Actually, this carton which separate them, family colony, I put one more with honey, because when they'll need, they'll come here to take honey. So these are all bee which die during winter. It's a bit a lot. I used to put that foil between these two corpses. On bottom it's empty frame which I use for collection, and to keep them safe from that mole, I guess, butterfly, I put that foil. I keep them over there, bee take care about them, but I put foil between them to can extract quick that bee which die during winter. Now I saw there are eggs already, larvae, so that was important for me to know. I have queen, I have larvae, and colony it's alive. Another important thing what I do know, I put strips for varroa mite. So I use them only once. I use all time active strips with different active substance to not get them immunity. I mean to varroa. So I put one and second one and between, and second is here, and I put super protein fatty. That's the Romanian one. It's very good. Somebody do it at home. I don't know how to do it, so for me it's easier to give them. Maybe it's not so necessary, no, at the moment, but they already start to increase new colony of bee. So actually to renew it, why I put it? If there are no queen, they're not gonna eat it. So it's actually like thermometer or whatever, like to let me know what happened with the colony. If they're not gonna eat it, there is a problem. So I have to check. Probably it's no queen or no something else. So that's the easiest way. And of course they'll start to use them when a new bee will born, if I can call like this. All these frame with honey, here are pollen, I put them on deposit, and when they'll use last frame with honey, I'll put next one, and this one which will be already empty, I'll put inside of the colony. So that was my first intervention. If you'll find it nice, you have questions, please put it in and on the comments, so, and I'll be happy to give answer. Someone which know better way, and I accept any new information which can increase productivity of honey. So see you All the best. Till next time.